Hey guys, Jarhead Airsoft here, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for the Lancer Tactical vest. This is the combo, so it comes with all the stuff. So here we go. Got my trusty spider coat. Packaging's pretty nice. Didn't come indented or anything, so that's always good. Okay, wow, this is really nice. So it comes in. There's no like bubble wrap or anything. Wouldn't need it. So this is a heavy vest. It shipped in. Got the package. It was pretty nice. So looks like in here we have some really sturdy material. I haven't opened it yet. So here we go. I'm going to open up the package. Well, before I do this, I'm going to show what else came in the package besides that. Okay, so here we have the billing receipt right here, and some of these Airsoft GI 102, 103, 104, 105, and 106, and 10. Yeah. Okay, so now on to the main thing. Here's the vest. Open it right up. Alright. So, I'm going to do reviewing this. Okay. Packaged quite well, folded up. Alright, so it comes with a little Lancer Tactical tag. And this vest comes with 5 M16 M4 magazine pouches, 2 pistol pouches, an admin pouch so you can carry your speed loaders and other stuff, a little drag handle for when you're out in the field. Comes with a radio pouch and this little utility pouch, so that's nice. And this is a really well built, heavy material. It's very strong looking so far, and it's very adjustable, as you can see here. So we're gonna try to adjust it right over here. Yes, you unbutton this, pull this open and you can see you can adjust it with these little strings. You pull that, as you can see, pulls like that. So that's how you adjust. Pretty straightforward. And I got this vest for about $82 on airsoftgi.com. So, and the molly's really nice. This is all detachable, so you can put whatever you want on this. Back here it has a lot of room, so you can move this to maybe over here, and then you can put a hydration pouch right across the back. So, thanks for watching.